In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI thumbnail for the fashion niche. So to do that, we're going to use the platform novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to go to the image section and here use the following settings for the image. Now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section as well. And here, where it says title, we're going to use the following title. Or actually, you should use the title of your video. Now here in the text overlay, I'm going to put this. This is the text that will appear in the thumbnail. For example, here it was look at him now. And finally, as a reference image, I'm not going to upload a reference image, but if you have an image of your video, I recommend you to use it. And now we have to click here. Now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect, here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails are really good. So now if you want to try this platform, I want to tell you that you can try it for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.